Okay, so how many of you don't like earbuds that snug deep into your ear and makes you feel uncomfortable? Raise your hands. If you did, then I have just the thing for you. These are the newly launched Nothing Ear Open. Now, as the name says, they stay open and don't block the sound from the outside world. Also, it comes with ear hook design, so it provides ultimate wearing comfort for runners and fitness enthusiasts who work out a lot. Now, I've been using these earbuds for over a week, and there are some things that I absolutely love about it, while some things that really put me off. Don't worry, I'll share all my experiences in detail so you can decide if these are your next pair of earbuds or not. Let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. You can see the Nothing branding right here, image of the earbuds. Towards the back, you can see some manufacturing details and the MRP of 18,999. So to open it up, you don't need anything except to just pull this from here. Right on the top are the earbuds themselves. Then you have some paperwork, which I believe no one reads. Oh, and so glad to see a USB-A to USB-C charging cable included in the box. It's a rare nowadays. Alright, let's have a closer look at the earbuds. Now, the first thing you'll see that there's a QR code which is for the Nothing X companion app. Make sure you download it. And there you go. So the case comes with a really interesting design, all polycarbonate though, but transparent on the top and white at the bottom. You can also spot the USB-C port here to charge the case and the earbuds as well. The case is a little bigger than most earbuds, and that's because it comes with this ear hook design. It weighs at 63.8 grams, which I think is really impressive considering the size of these earbuds. Very, very nice. And you just lift this open and you can access the earbuds inside. And if you look closely, there's an LED light on the top and a pairing button below. Very, very cool. Let's quickly remove them. And finally, here are the earbuds themselves. So the one with the red dot is the right earbud. The one with the white dot is the left earbud. Each of them weighs 8.1 grams, which is really good. Soft silicone here on the sides, which go behind your ear, will give you comfort. Here you can spot this will probably have the batteries inside them. Very well built. If you move on the other side here, you can see that they come with an open design and they look really nice. Overall, very well built and looks so premium. And the size of the case is a little bigger than what we usually see. It's usually these boxes which have the earbuds inside. This is because it comes with this ear hook design. The case is a little bigger. So that's something you'll have to decide. Which one would you pick? Something that comes with a small case or something with a form factor like this? These earbuds come with IP54 rating. So mild splashes and sweat should be fine. Also, it gets Bluetooth 5.3. Not exactly the latest, but good enough. When it comes to codec support, we get SBC and AAC codec support. Then Google Fast Pairing is available. Simply open the lid and you'll see a pairing pop up on your Android phone. Click to pair. Once you're done, it will recommend you to download the Nothing X app, follow the setup process, and it should be done in a couple of seconds. There you go. More on the app later. Let's talk about the fit and comfort. So as you can see, I'm currently wearing both and they come with this hook design that goes around your ear. It gets that perfect fit and you know it's not going to fall off. Even if you're running, if you're working out, if you're at the gym, or even probably bungee jumping. Now, unlike earbuds that snug deep into your ear, this one doesn't. Actually, it keeps it open, hence obviously the name. You can enjoy music and still hear everything around you. It's more like transparency mode always on. The drawback, of course, of this is that there's no ANC on board, which could be a deal breaker for some and a boon for some. I know a lot of people who don't like that vacuum seal. This would be ideal for them. Talking about drivers, so we get 14.2mm titanium coated polythene drivers. Whatever that name means, I think it wouldn't matter because what really matters is sound. Well, frankly, I was really surprised how well they sounded even with an open design. Firstly, it gets quite loud, more than most people would need. The clarity and the instrument separation were genuinely impressive. The bass, in fact, was pretty decent as well, but it lacks that deep thump, which is kind of expected. To summarize it in simple words, it's very balanced. The kind of sound I would want for my everyday earphones. Also, you can use multiple sound profiles from the companion app, including an option to custom set it. You can adjust it as per your preference. So cool. Now, let's talk about the cons of this design. Now, if you wear them at the gym where music is usually blazing loud, you probably won't be able to hear the music that's playing in your earphones, which is obvious because your ears are actually left open. However, the pro is when you walk on a busy street, you can hear the music as well as be completely aware of your surroundings. My favorite part is that I can have a proper conversation with the person without needing to pause the music or even remove the earbuds. Like I said earlier, something I would wear all day. How's the phone calling experience? Here's a quick demo. So the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the Nothing Ear Open. Each earbud comes with dual microphones, which cancels out all the external noise, making it ideal for phone calls indoors as well as outdoors. However, you guys are the best judge. Write down in the comments and share your feedback with us. Then it also comes with pinch gesture to control the audio. You can change tracks, you can pause play the music, and even change the volume, which I find extremely helpful. Yes, you can also custom set each gesture of each earbud separately from the companion app. Always handy. Then we also get dual device connectivity support. So now here you can see I've connected two phones at the same time. Similarly, you can also connect your tablet or laptop along with your phone. Now for example, if you're watching something on your laptop and you receive a call, you can answer it using your earbuds, and once the call ends, the audio from the laptop will resume on the earbuds. Very convenient. When it comes to latency, it also comes with low lag mode, which you can toggle on from the companion app. It drastically reduces latency and you can easily play games without any audio delay. While gaming, it did feel a slight delay, but it's very insignificant. However, while watching movies, I noticed no delay at all. Perfect lip sync, and it's easily recommended to be worn for a long movie marathon. Let's have a quick look at the Nothing X companion app. So right on the top here, you can see the battery percentage of the earbuds, left and right, as well as of the case. If you come into equalizer here, you can set the equalizer. There are some presets available, as well as you can custom set the equalizer as per your preference. Very, very convenient. Then of course you have controls. You can adjust the controls of the earbuds as per your preference. Low lag mode, you can toggle it on and off from here. Dual connection, which means you can connect two devices at the same time. You can choose that from here. Device settings, find my earbuds. You can forget the earbuds. And of course about, and this is from where if there is any firmware update, you can see it here. Like right now, there is no firmware update. Overall, the app is really simple and easy to use. Coming to the battery. So the case comes with a huge 635 mAh battery, while each earbud comes with 64 mAh battery. And this provides about 8 hours of music playback on a single charge and 30 hours in total with the case. Plus, it also comes with fast charging support. 10 minutes of charge will give you 10 hours of music playback. Those are really solid numbers in the battery department. Alright, final thoughts. So, the Nothing Ear Open offers impressive audio fidelity even with an open design, which is truly commendable. For those who work out, who run, the hooks keep the buds in place. But the only con is that it lacks ANC. So that's something you got to keep in mind. Also, if I had to nitpick, and this is my personal opinion, they look like hearing aids. Maybe they come with those white colors and that's the only color option available. Anyway, that's just a thought. The ear opens are something I personally wear every day, even at work, because now I can listen to music and hear everything around me all the time. The Nothing Ear Opens are already on sale and they're priced at $17,999. You can buy it from flipkart.com. I'll share the link below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.